In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh a pivot table in LibreOffice Calc if you've updated your source data and the numbers in your pivot table haven't changed yet. A quick refresh is all you need. Refreshing tells Calc to reread the underlying data and redraw the summary, so your totals, counts, and groupings reflect the latest information. Start by launching LibreOffice Calc. You can open it from your Applications menu or by double-clicking an existing spreadsheet file on your computer. Once Calc is running, open the document that contains the pivot table you want to update. If you're not sure where the pivot table is on the sheet, look for a block of cells with a distinct layout, often with row and column labels and drop-downs for fields. With your document open, the fastest way to update a single pivot table is directly from the table itself. Click any cell inside the pivot table to make sure it's selected. Then right-click within the pivot table and choose Refresh from the context menu. Calc will immediately pull in the latest values from your source data and update the table. This method is quick, and it targets only the pivot table you clicked in, which is helpful if your file has more than one. You can also refresh from the main menu. Again, click any cell inside the pivot table to ensure Calc knows which one you're working with. Then go to the top menu and choose Data, hover over Pivot Table, and select Refresh. You'll see the table recalculate and display the newest results. If you don't see the refresh option or it's grayed out, it usually means your cursor isn't inside a pivot table yet. Click back into the table and try the menu again. A couple of tips if the numbers still look the same after refreshing. First, confirm that your source data actually changed in the sheet. If you added new rows beyond the original data range used to build the pivot table, you may need to adjust the pivot table's source to include those rows before refreshing will show them. Also, keep an eye on any filters applied to the pivot table. A filter can hide changes even though the refresh worked. Once you're happy with the updated results, save your document to keep everything current. That's all there is to it. Open your file and refresh either by right-clicking inside the pivot table or by using Data, Pivot Table, Refresh from the menu. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.